Hello, Design Furniture family. Keeping your wood furniture clean and well-maintained can enhance its beauty and longevity. Today, we're sharing a step-by-step guide on how to clean wood furniture effectively in just 5 easy steps. Let's dive in. Step 1. Dust your furniture. The first step is to remove any dust and surface dirt from your furniture. Use a soft, lint-free cloth or a microfiber cloth to gently dust the entire piece. Make sure to get into all the crevices and intricate details. Regular dusting prevents buildup and makes the cleaning process easier. Step 2. Prepare your cleaning solution. Next, prepare a gentle cleaning solution. In a small bowl, mix a few drops of mild dish soap with warm water. Alternatively, you can use a mixture of equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Both options are effective at cutting through grime without harming the wood. Step 3. Test the solution. Before applying the cleaning solution to the entire piece, test it on a small, inconspicuous area of the furniture. This step ensures that the solution won't damage the finish. Wait a few minutes to check for any adverse reactions. Step 4. Clean the surface. Dip a soft cloth into the cleaning solution and wring it out until it's damp, not wet. Gently wipe the surface of the furniture, following the grain of the wood. For stubborn spots, use a soft bristle brush to gently scrub the area. Step 5. Rinse and dry. After cleaning, rinse the cloth with clean water, wring it out, and wipe the furniture again to remove any soap residue. Immediately dry the surface with a clean, dry cloth. This step is crucial to prevent water damage and maintain the wood's natural beauty. And that's how you clean wood furniture in 5 easy steps. With these simple tips, you can keep your wood pieces looking beautiful and well-maintained for years to come. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert tips and tutorials from Design Furniture. See you next time.